Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to check trending sounds on Instagram. To do that, let's open up the Instagram app first. And on this interface, guys, now in order to check the audios or trending sounds on Instagram, first we'll be required to go to the reel creation section of Instagram. To do that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen or the bottom middle of the screen. And over here we'll be just opening the camera section for now. Now on this interface, guys, you can see the audio button available at the left side of the screen. Let's tap on the drop down arrow over here and you can spot the audio. Tap on that audio, and to check the trending sounds on Instagram from over here, you can see these featured music on Instagram. Currently these are on some kind of trend, and with that being said, guys, you can see all of these audios which have 1.1 million views, 4.3 million reels on it, and you can check these views when this one has 5 million reels. These reels are a good trending sounds to make your reels or create your reels on, you can see. And this way, the more the sound has been used on Instagram by reels, the more trending it is. And in a sense, this is how you can check trending sounds on Instagram. And then, guys, this is how to check trending sounds on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.